Today we're joined by actress, singer, author, and designer Vanessa Williams, known to millions for her music, Broadway performances, and making history as the first African-American Miss America. She's now juggling her many ventures, even as a mom of four. Today she joins us to give us some pointers on making the most out of the last days of summer. Well, I hear you have some good ideas for some fun with the kiddos before we go back to school, which is good because I know everyone wants to get in something fun before those last precious days of summer.
Well, luckily, my daughter doesn't go back till after Labor Day, so I still have a few more weeks to crank out some summer fun. I plan on getting to some body of water, whether it's the beach or a lake. Last year we went on a wonderful cruise together down in the Amalfi Coast and Greece. But it's all about spending time with your family.
Well, you mentioned that at least one of your kids is in the business. What do you tell them about it? Because it is a tough business.
Well, you know, I think when you're brought up in a household that, for instance, my kids have gone to the recording studio with me. They've been backstage on Broadway with me. They've been on movie sets. They've been in TV studios. They know my life. They know my life on the road. They come to location. So it wasn't bizarre for me that my kids would be creative and want a life in entertainment. And they're talented. They're ambitious. And it's great to see them flourish and grow. So I'm happy that I get a chance to see the fruits of their talent blossom into a career. And that's what my middle one, Jillian, is doing right now with her band Lion Babe. I think they're in Denver tonight.
Oh, that's great. Well, we'll be sure to keep an eye out for her band. And I know you wrote a book on it, and a lot of girls are looking up to you. So what do you tell them about the many facets that you're in?
Getting in the business means being prepared. There are a lot of shortcuts to fame, but having longevity and having talent that's worth sticking to from other people and being employed means that you need to be trained. So that means that go to school for whatever it is that whether it's singing or acting or dancing, get trained. So you've got the education and a breadth of knowledge to apply when you get an opportunity and it strikes. There's so many opportunities now for people to get their 15 minutes of fame. But staying in the game means that you need to have some skills. So you need a skill set. So learn and ask questions and get your training.
Well, thank you for being with us, Vanessa, and congratulations on everything.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.